Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great fall season so far. It's so cold outside today. It's really just like the first day of fall here in North Carolina. I'm loving it. Today we're making these delicious pecan banana milkshakes and they are incredible. And to start off the recipe, you're gonna need ½ cup of chopped raw pecans. And start cooking those over medium heat for about 4 minutes until they become nice and fragrant. And in a high-speed blender, you're going to want to add ½ cup of regular almond milk or any other plant milk that you like, 2 large frozen bananas, ½ a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the chopped pecans. And give that a really good blend until it's nice and creamy. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. I love it, love it. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of ice, about 4 or 5 cubes. And the best part for medjool dates, make sure that you take the seeds out. You do not want to blend those up. And do not skip out on the dates because they make the most amazing flavor. They give it a caramel-like effect and it is delicious. So give that a really good blend until it's all nice and creamy and you don't hear the ice anymore. And finish it off by adding a few more chopped pecans and a cinnamon stick for garnish. There it is. I hope you guys love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye.